मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट स्टैंडर्ड 8 सोशल साइंस वर्कबुक। लास्ट वीडियो में क्वेश्चन बाकी रह गया था। स्टेट द यूजेस ऑफ एटमॉस्फेयर, राइट द 5 पॉइंट्स। ऑक्सीजन इन द एटमॉस्फेयर is essential to all living organisms on the earth. Nitrogen is necessary for the growth vegetations. Carbon dioxide is the food for green vegetation. For nitrogen reduce the intensity of oxygen. Ozone gas absorbs the ultraviolet sun rays. And protects the earth from the intense heat of the sun. Ozone is also an invigorating gas. Okay. Complete. Okay. Now let's start. Choose the correct alternative from those given below each question and write is relevant number letter in the provided against the question. How many spheres does the earth have? 4. How much area of the surface of the earth does the lithosphere occupy? D. 29. The crust of the earth is not broken because B. The balance between heat and pressures is maintained. How much surface area does the hydrosphere cover? 71%. How deep are the ocean trenches? 10 to 11 km. How much of Earth's total water is in the ocean? 97. Up to how many kilometers above the surface does the atmosphere extend? 1400 kilometers. What is the proportion of nitrogen in the atmosphere? 78%. What is the proportion of oxygen in the atmosphere? 21%. The earth is protected from the exhaustive heat of the sun because ozone gas absorbs the ultraviolet rays from the sun. Which atmosphere gas dilutes the intensity of oxygen? Nitrogen. Which gas causes global warming when increased in volume? CO2. B, D, B, A, B, D, A, C, A, C, C, D. Second, fill in the blanks with proper words of numbers in the following statements. In the solar system only blank has favorable temperature, water and air to sustain life. Earth. The earth was a huge ball of blank at the time of its origin. Fire. Lithosphere is composed of rocks and soil. Lithosphere covers approximately 29% of the Earth's surface. Mountain plains and plains have developed on Earth. Rocks which are in molten state in the interior of the Earth are known as lithosphere. Drinking water is a part of hydrosphere. Valuable chemicals and minerals along with fish and salt are available in the big amount from sea and ocean. Atmosphere contains about blank nitrogen and blank oxygen. 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen. Ozone gas absorbs ultraviolet rays of the sun. Blank and blank gases sustain life of Earth, oxygen and nitrogen. Blank gas is in the atmosphere reduces the intensity of oxygen, nitrogen. Blank is necessary for radio broadcast and television. Atmosphere. Biosphere is divided into non-living and living. The areas that have more of vehicles show increased amount of blank gas in the air, CO2. Put a tick mark in the box against the following statements if they are true and a cross mark is they are false. Lithosphere occupies about 71% of surface of the earth. It's the false. When the balance between the heat and pressure is not maintained in the interiors of the earth, the crust of the earth breaks and water stream erupts. False. Rain is a main source of sweet water. False. Oceans are useful as waterways. True. There are various gases in biosphere. False. As we go higher from the surface of the earth, volume of most gases is reduced. True. Carbon dioxide is in abundance in the lower stratum of the atmosphere. True. Solid, liquid and gaseous elements are included in atmosphere. False. We are able to hear sounds due to the medium of biosphere. False. Dust particles reflect sun rays. True. Only the earth in the solar system has biosphere. True. Various types of living beings are included in biosphere. Is true. The amount of CO2 decreased due to the cutting of trees. False. Oxygen reduces the intensity of nitrogen. False. Match the pairs correctly. Write the correct number of section B in the answer section. Section A, section B. Write my answer. Lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. First में restaurants of all living organizations including human being. Hydrosphere, basis of life suspended. Atmosphere, spread of various gases. Biosphere, combination of the four spreads. Okay, so what is around the second chapter complete. तो तई क्वेश्चन आंसर तो कंप्लीट हो ही चुके थे हमारे. तो दिस चैप्टर इज कंप्लीट. नाउ नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम चैप्टर 3 करेंगे एक्सप्लेन. ओके, और आपको एक क्वेश्चन आंसर एमसीक्यू फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स ट्रू और फॉल्स वो सब लर्न करना है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, बाय. आज का चैप्टर हमारा छोटी छोटी चीज़ें थी इसलिए जल्दी ख़त्म हो गया, बिकॉज के फर्स्ट वीडियो हमने सारे क्वेश्चन आंसर वो कर दिए थे. ओके, बाय.